So our retreats are one of our main focus. We offer retreats in North Texas here at this beautiful location. And we have our Yoga for Love cabin studio here where we offer hot yoga and workshops while you're at retreat. We have horses on the property, we have kayaks and things like that. So on our free time we get to hang out outside in nature. Our retreats are yoga for your inner goddess, as you can see on my t-shirt. So we actually love to support women in just finding their own community, finding their own tribe, and finding like-minded people from all over the world to connect with in a global platform. And through that, we've created our Yoga for Love Advanced Training Programs, which is an online platform for 200 and 300 hours.
You can move forward with this empowerment of like-minded spirits.
What resonated me with Lisa is that her knowledge is so expansive and it's so broad that she brings a little bit of Reiki, she brings a little bit of meditation, she brings a little bit of asana. She brings so much into one flow. And what really benefits me is even the goddess element that she brings in. It's just a sense of empowerment. It brings out our inner strength.
From the very moment you drive down the driveway, you get this sense of peace and it's inviting. And then you go into the studio and Lisa's style is sweet and encouraging. She has modifications for beginners to very, very advanced. So no matter where you're at, you can always feel like you're growing and progressing in your practice.
So we offer Yoga for Your Inner Goddess retreats at our facility here in Texas. We also offer Yoga for Love adventure retreats on the Big Island of Hawaii. So take a look at what we have to offer. Perhaps you'll find your tribe. Namaste.